Ready to see your new home? Look at our Nicklaus floor plan. It's a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment home. There's plenty of space for all of your furnishings. Take a look around. We're going to have a quick tour. Alright, so we're standing in the Nicklaus floor plan. It's a beautiful, gorgeous, open layout. You have your kitchen behind me here with full-size appliances. And a cute little breakfast nook for your little dinette and bar stools. Plenty of space for all of your furniture. This unit has been newly renovated with hardwood flooring and white cabinets. And we will head over to our bedrooms. This one does have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, does come with washer and dryer, and each bedroom has a wonderful ensuite and plenty of space for your bedroom furniture. The best part about this floor plan is it has its own laundry room equipped with a full-size washer and dryer, a cute little spot for your vacuum cleaner, mop, and plenty of shelf space for your laundry detergent and linens. Through this area we've got a very long, wide open bathroom for all your great toiletries, plenty of storage space. And there's also a walk-in closet here on the end. And this bathroom is such a great example of a master bathroom ensuite. You can close this up for guests as well and keep your privacy hidden right behind you. The first bedroom in the Nicklaus floor plan is on the front of the apartment home, which you see has a gorgeous view of our golf course. And plenty of space for either queen or even king size bed. And then you also have sufficient space for a dresser and nightstands. Definitely plenty of space. It's really a great floor plan for roommates, as it does have its own separate bathroom. And we'll show you the master bathroom or master bedroom here in just a moment. Okay, we are in the master bedroom. You'll see there's plenty of lighting in here as well. There's a large window in the bedroom, and this bedroom is on the back side of the apartment home, and it's completely separated from the bedroom in the front, which provides plenty of privacy, especially if you have a roommate or another occupant living in the other bedroom. And it also has its own master bathroom ensuite and a nice sized closet. And my favorite part is our patios. Whenever you want to sit out here and have a little piece of serenity, you get a gorgeous glimpse of this golf course and just relax, enjoy the view.